Hey WJ Jeepers, does your rig look like this?
Oh no.
Or like this?
What's wrong with your lip?
But you really want it to look like this?
Sean here with Trailforged, with a quick product highlight showing you how you can fix that.
The Trailforged High Clearance Radiator Support Replacement offers the highest clearance and best protection for your factory radiator on both i6 and V8 models.
And here's the thing, it'll give us so much extra space in our room to do activities. Please say yes.
Our radiator support replacement is the original high clearance design, available in both a bolt-in version and a do-it-yourself version. The DIY kits come as flat plate, ready to bend up and weld yourself. We decided to stick with the iconic 7-slot design that matches your grill. The radiator support replacement is also fully boxed on all 4 sides for maximum strength, and we've integrated radiator drain access on both sides, depending on if you have the i6 or V8. This radiator support does work with factory bumpers as well as some other aftermarket winch bumpers, but is of course designed to pair perfectly with the Trailforged winch bumper system. When you do so, 3 of these bolts tie directly into the winch plate, and the rear 2 winch mounting bolts also go through the radiator support for maximum strength. With our provided install instructions, the process is very simple. You cut the old radiator support off on both sides, and we supply mounting plates that go inside the frame rails with secured nuts for these bolts to attach through.